Hey everybody, Brent from Rocky Run Angus Ranch. Well, like everybody else, April 11th, central North Dakota, we're getting ready for a super blizzard. Blizzard of the century, or something like that they're calling it. They got us in the, 19 to 27 inch range of wet, heavy snow. I mean, look how beautiful it is out here. The grass isn't even starting to green up. I don't know if you can see it up there. Green grass. It's beautiful. Hold on a second here. Getting everything situated for the storm. Trying to get these boneheads to come in here because it's been a little muddy. Move stuff around so that everybody can get shelter. This is kind of the horse pen, but I put some panels up here so the bulls can come in here. Put a bale back in there. Horses can get in up here. Put a bale in there. The cows, I haven't put a bale in the barn yet for them, the big long calving. I got 4 bales staged over by the gate. Tomorrow night, I'm planning to put them all in there because it's supposed to hit tomorrow morning. 30-mile-an-hour winds and lots of snow. Lots and lots of snow. Go figure. Hey, look, more green grass. I even got the bucket out. Cows all came to the fence. Bulls followed me as far as right here once. They wouldn't go in there though. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to get them down here and lock them in. They're busy fighting right now, so they ain't gonna listen. Big dummies. I could go out there and try to shoot them down, but I don't want to get hurt too bad. That almost never works. But beautiful sunset tonight. Hard to believe that the weather is going to completely go to crap tomorrow. All of our snow and stuff that we had melted, which is good and nice. This down here, that's west, obviously. Sunset, I guess, makes sense, right? Duh. Highways out there, ditches, our water holes out there. That is plumb full now, by the way. Couldn't be more happy with that. Anyway, the water runs through here, comes up here, and usually floods right here because it's got to go into the road right there. And there's a nice bit of grass in our fence line, and it's got to go. There's 2 culverts that go under there. And it kind of goes across and it weaves through the hayfield a little bit and hits the Rocky Run Creek over there. The dam is right over here. So this was all flooded out a couple weeks ago, and this is all that's left. It all ran through and soaking in. So I noticed at work today that we're starting to get some of those wet spots in the gravel. Frost is obviously coming out. Who'd have thunk it, as cold as it's been. But I guess the sun's got some power this time of year. We'll go over to the cow pen here in a second. I was hoping these knuckleheads would knock it off and make their way down here. So hold tight, gonna see if I can get them in. Well, that wasn't too bad. I suppose they'll start fighting in here and run into the door and rip the door off now. Why not? Oh gee, hey guys, there's some hay in here. That's pretty awesome. Hi pony. But gosh, what a sunset, huh? Hi, how are you? How are you? Well, go and check out the cows. Okay, we're walking in the cow pen here, but yeah, the storm is supposed to be a 3-day blizzard. I don't know any of you up this area remember the storm of 97. They're likening it to that, and it just so fittingly, that was 25 years ago. So kind of almost makes a little bit of strange sense, doesn't it? But calves everywhere. Lots of cute little buggers too. Down to 3 to go. 1 first calf heifer and 2 cows. This is B2. That's one of them that's left the calf. This one, man, I love her calf. Isn't he a little stud? Look at his back end. Nice and wide. Brown butt. Gonna make some good steaks. Would you move your butt? Here, huh? Right there is my daughter's heifer and her calf. He looks really good too. Got a milk mustache, buddy. Super duper good. It's another heifer. Looks like she found some corn husks. Who's this guy? B2 yet? Yep. He's out of one of my very first calf heifers that I brought or kept back when I first started. This dumb red idiot right there, that's our steer. Elmer. He was also our emergency hamburger supply. For when things get tough and ugly. I'm not wasting any time digging into that bale. Nice and green in there. Battery's going dead. I'm gonna wrap it up here quick. We'll do another update during the blizzard, I guess. So everybody take care. Stay tuned for the blizzard and we'll catch you in the next one.